Hello and welcome to this video on maximizing your productivity with effective time management techniques. We all want to be more productive, but it can be a challenge to balance our daily tasks and responsibilities. That's where time management comes in. By using the right techniques, we can make the most of our time and achieve our goals. In this video, we'll be discussing the different time management styles, setting priorities and goals, eliminating time wasters, and making the most of your time. So, if you're ready to boost your productivity and make the most of every day, let's get started. Number 1. Understanding your time management style. Have you ever found yourself feeling overwhelmed with the tasks on your to-do list? Or maybe you feel like there's never enough time in the day to get everything done. That's why understanding your time management style is so important. Every person has their own unique way of managing their time, and identifying yours can help you make the most of your time. Let's take a look at the different time management styles. There's the prioritizer, who focuses on getting the most important tasks done first. The planner, who schedules their day to the minute. The delegator, who assigns tasks to others. And the arranger, who is flexible and adapts to changes in their schedule. By knowing your time management style, you can tailor your approach to time management to best suit your needs. For example, if you're a prioritizer, you may find that setting clear priorities for the day is crucial for you to feel productive. On the other hand, if you're an arranger, you may find that having a more flexible schedule allows you to be more productive. So, take a moment to think about your time management style. How do you approach tasks and manage your time? Knowing this can help you make the most of your time and be more productive. Number 2. Setting priorities and goals. Now that you have a better understanding of your time management style, it's time to dive into setting priorities and goals. This is a crucial step in maximizing your productivity, as it helps you focus on what's truly important and ensures that you're working towards your long-term goals. Start by identifying your most important tasks for the day or week. This could be work projects, personal goals, or anything else that needs your attention. Then, prioritize these tasks based on their level of importance and urgency. This will help you stay focused and avoid getting bogged down by less important tasks. In addition to setting daily and weekly priorities, it's also important to set long-term goals. These could be personal or professional goals, and they should be something that you're passionate about and motivated to achieve. Writing down your long-term goals and breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps can help you stay focused and motivated. Remember, setting priorities and goals is a continuous process. It's important to regularly assess and adjust your priorities as needed, taking into account any changes in your schedule or priorities. So, take some time now to set your priorities and goals for the day, week, and beyond. By doing so, you'll be able to focus on what's important and make the most of your time. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Number 3. Eliminating time wasters. Now that you've set your priorities and goals, it's time to eliminate time wasters. These are activities or habits that steal away valuable time and keep you from being productive. Some common time wasters include checking email or social media constantly, being disorganized, multitasking, and procrastination. By identifying and eliminating these time wasters, you can make the most of your time and be more productive. For example, if checking email constantly is a time waster for you, try setting aside specific times during the day to check and respond to emails. If disorganization is a problem, consider investing in a planner or organizing system to keep track of your tasks and schedule. It's important to be honest with yourself about what's holding you back from being productive. By eliminating these time wasters, you'll be able to focus on your priorities and goals and make the most of your time. Number 4. Making the most of your time. Now that you understand your time management style, have set your priorities and goals, and have eliminated time wasters, it's time to make the most of your time. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of every day. Number 1. Make a schedule and stick to it. Having a clear schedule can help you stay focused and on track. Try to stick to your schedule as closely as possible, but also be flexible and willing to make adjustments as needed. Number 2, minimize distractions. Turn off your phone, close your email, and eliminate any other distractions that may take away from your focus. Number 3, practice mindfulness and self-care. Taking care of yourself is important for both your physical and mental health, and it can also help you be more productive in the long run. Number 4, celebrate your successes. Take time to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may be. This can help keep you motivated and focused. In conclusion, maximizing your productivity with effective time management techniques is all about understanding your time management style, setting priorities and goals, eliminating time wasters, and making the most of your time. By following these tips, you'll be able to make the most of your day and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content on time management and productivity. Your support means a lot to us, and we're always looking for ways to improve and provide you with the best possible content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.